Hello student of class 11. This is the continuation part of the previous video of AP. Sum number 23. If first term and last term of an AP, A first term, L last term, is the sum of the term, then common difference, prove that common difference equal to L square minus A square by 2s minus L plus A. Number of term is equal to n. So I can write Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Here Tn equal to L, this is A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. And we know Sn equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into d. This equal to, I can write this equal to A plus L. So A, here Sn equal to S. So n equal to 2s by L plus A. Putting this in here, that means L minus A, I can write it n minus 1 into d. L minus A, this equal to n equal to 2s by L minus A, L plus A minus 1 into d. So this equal to L minus A, this equal to 2s minus L plus A by L plus A into d. So this equal to L square minus A square, this equal to 2s minus L plus A into d. So d equal to L square minus A square by 2s into 2s minus L plus A. Okay. Sum number 24. Let An denote the nth term of an AP and P and Q be two positive integers with P less than Q, and AP plus 1 plus AP plus 2 up to plus A cube, this is equal to 0. Find the sum of first P plus A Q term. That means we have to find this equal to P plus Q by 2, 2A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D, when A first term and D common difference, we know it. Here it is given that AP plus 1 plus AP plus 2 up to AQ, this equal to 0. Let A1, A2 dash 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 up to AP plus 1, AP plus 2 dash 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 up to AQ are in AP. So I can write this one can be written in this way: A1 plus A2 plus dash 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 plus AP plus AP plus 1 dash 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 plus AQ this minus A1 plus A2 plus dash 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 plus AP, this equal to 0. I can be written in this way, this one. So this equal to this is Q. So this equal to summation of first Q terms minus summation of P terms. That means 2A plus Q minus 1 into D plus P by 2 minus P by 2, 2A plus P minus 1 into D, this is equal to 0. That means this equal to 0. I can write it. So this cancel out. 2A Q minus P and this equal to D. So P square minus P minus Q square plus Q, this equal to D. p square minus q square minus p minus q, this d p minus q, p plus q minus p minus q, d p minus q, this is p plus q minus 1. So I can write it in this way, 2 to cancel out. So a p minus q, this is this cancel out, that means sorry this is 2 is common here, 2. So d p plus q minus 1, this is equal to minus 2a. Okay. We have written p plus q by 2, this is 2a, and p plus q minus 1 into d. We get this equal to minus 2a, so the sum of the first p plus q term equal to 0. I am ending here.